Marinate the chicken. Mix all marinade ingredients in a bowl and coat the chicken evenly. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, preferably overnight, for better flavor. Cook the chicken. Heat a pan or grill and cook the marinated chicken on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Prepare the butter chicken gravy. Heat butter and oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and salt until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add tomato puree, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and salt. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the oil separates. Blend the gravy optional for a smoother texture. Return to the pan and add cooked chicken. Stir well. Add cream, honey, sugar, and crushed kasuri methi. Mix well. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until flavors blend. Serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro and extra cream. Serve hot with naan, roti, or rice. Tips for the best butter chicken. Marinate for longer. Overnight marination gives the best flavor. Use chicken thighs. They stay juicier than chicken breasts. Char the chicken slightly. For a smoky, restaurant-style taste, cook it on high heat or in a tandoor. Use fresh tomatoes. If using canned tomatoes, balance acidity with a pinch of sugar. Blend the sauce. This makes the gravy smooth and creamy. Don't skip kasuri methi. It adds a unique flavor to the dish. Adjust creaminess. Use more or less cream depending on preference. Balance spices. If too spicy, add more cream or a bit of honey. Reheat carefully. Add a splash of water or milk when reheating to maintain texture. Would you like a simplified version or a video reference? Butter chicken has many variations depending on the region, preparation method, and ingredients. Here are some of the popular types of butter chicken you can find or try making at home. Classic butter chicken merg makhani. The traditional, iconic version made with marinated chicken cooked in a rich, creamy tomato-based sauce with butter and cream. This is the most common and popular version worldwide. Keto butter chicken, a low-carb version of butter chicken, made without sugar or cream but often using coconut cream or a full-fat Greek yogurt substitute for the creamy texture. Instead of regular flour or cornstarch, thickening agents like almond flour might be used. Tandoori butter chicken. This variant involves marinating the chicken in yogurt and spices, then cooking it in a tandoor traditional clay oven before being simmered in the butter chicken sauce. This gives the chicken a smoky, charred flavor that adds a unique depth to the dish. Butter chicken with cashew paste. This variation uses ground cashew nuts to make the sauce thicker and richer. The cashew paste adds a nutty flavor and enhances the creaminess of the gravy. Spicy butter chicken. A spicier variation, which involves adding extra red chili powder, green chilies, or even a spicy curry base to the butter chicken sauce. It's great for people who enjoy a bit more heat in their dishes. Methi butter chicken fenugreek butter chicken. In this variation, kasuri methi dried fenugreek leaves are added to the butter chicken, infusing the dish with a distinct flavor. The slightly bitter taste of fenugreek balances the rich, creamy sauce. Butter chicken with bell peppers. A slight twist that adds sliced bell peppers into the sauce. This version introduces a mild sweetness and a crunchy texture, adding more depth to the dish. Butter chicken with coconut milk. Instead of cream, coconut milk is used for a slightly different richness and flavor profile. This variation is often found in regions that use coconut-based ingredients, like coastal South India. Butter chicken with spinach palak butter chicken. A healthy twist that adds spinach to the sauce, blending the creamy texture with the nutritious flavor of spinach. It's a good way to incorporate greens into the dish without compromising the buttery texture. Butter chicken biryani. A fusion dish where butter chicken is cooked as usual but layered with biryani rice and spices to create a delicious, aromatic biryani. It's perfect for those who love both butter chicken and biryani. Each type of butter chicken has its own unique twist, so you can adjust the flavor based on your preferences. Would you like a recipe for one of these types? Butter chicken as street food has gained immense popularity, particularly in India, where vendors have started offering it as a quick, flavorful snack or meal. Street food versions of butter chicken often have unique twists to suit the fast-paced, casual dining experience of the market. Here's what you might find and how butter chicken is typically served in street food markets. Butter chicken wrap kadhi roll. Description: a street food favorite where butter chicken is wrapped in a soft paratha or naan, often with onions, tomatoes, and chutneys, creating a delicious and portable snack. Variation: some vendors add cheese or extra spicy chutneys to make the wrap even more flavorful. Butter chicken in a bowl serving style. Description: butter chicken is served in a bowl, topped with fresh cilantro and served with naan or paratha on the side. Variation: some stalls add a touch of crispy fried onions or serve with a side of popped, crispy lentil crackers to add crunch to the creamy dish. Butter chicken pizza. Description: an innovative street food item where butter chicken is used as a topping on naan-based pizza or a traditional pizza base. Variation: it's often garnished with additional spices and herbs, combining the comfort of butter chicken with the texture of pizza. Mini butter chicken sliders. Description: small sliders made with butter chicken, placed in soft buns and often served with a slice of cucumber, onions, and a spicy mayo or chutney. Variation: this fusion street food adds an extra punch with spicy or tangy sauces, making it a unique twist on the traditional butter chicken. Butter chicken pav Indian-style burger. Description: a variation inspired by vada pav or pav bhaji, where butter chicken is stuffed into a soft pav bread roll. It's a flavorful, satisfying street food option in places like Mumbai or Delhi. Variation: some vendors offer butter chicken with extra toppings like cheese, mint chutney, or onions for added flavor. Butter chicken samosa. Description: samosas filled with buttery chicken in a rich sauce instead of the traditional potato filling. This is a deep-fried snack that combines the crispy samosa shell with the creamy texture of butter chicken. Variation: sometimes the samosa is served with a small side of chutney or extra butter chicken gravy. Butter chicken kebab. Description: small skewers of grilled chicken marinated in butter chicken spices served with a dollop of the buttery gravy. This is a common choice in street food markets, especially in areas with tandoor cooking. Variation: these kebabs can be served with naan or used as a topping on rice. Butter chicken with fried rice. Description: some street food stalls combine butter chicken with fried rice to create a fusion dish. The rich, creamy chicken is mixed with flavorful fried rice, making it a filling meal. Variation: adding a sprinkle of chopped veggies or fried onions on top enhances the flavor.